Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to check WordPress login history. Let's go. Open plugins. Add new plugin. Find login history. Install user login history or simple history. Activate. User login history. All information will be displayed here. Or simple history. Open dashboard. All information will be displayed here. That's it. Now you know how to check WordPress login history. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.